Hey guys, John Keel here at WatchGauge.com. This past weekend, I went into New York City. I had a couple of meetings in the morning with some great watch people, but then I headed over to the Worn and Wound Windup. It was my first time going to the event, and I have to be extremely honest with you, it was awesome. They had some amazing watch brands there. It was extremely well organized. It was held at the Chelsea Market. So I don't want to make this intro too very long, but I took a little bit of video. I took a bunch of pictures. Pictures aren't that great. Video's pretty horrible, but hey, it's better than not showing it to you at all, right? We had a great time. I met a lot of great people, ran into a lot of good friends that I've already had in the industry, and you know, there's one of my favorite parts about the industry, being able to be out there, to be with other watch people and watch collectors and brands and things like that. So without further ado, take a look. Second parking garage for the afternoon. I just came from Midtown with a really cool, just touch base with a couple of really cool guys at their office. Had a good time, good talk. Now I'm heading to the Worn and Wound event, and we'll see what kind of fun video and things we can see there. Got to get there because there's not much time. It's closing up in like an hour.
We're live. All right. You guys recognize this guy?
We back again. This time we're not getting booted.
We're not getting towed.
We're not getting towed.
But we here. I got a parking spot in a garage this time.
Oh, okay.
So we're at Worn and Wound, standing in front of the Dan Henry booth. I'm gonna turn. I can't turn the camera around. A ton of activity. Just spoke with the guys from Rec and Cloakers, as well as the guys from Brew. Dan Henry's here. This is a kick-ass show. So Worn and Wound, well done, very well done. I'm gonna walk around a little more. I'll get some more video, and we'll put something together. Hopefully, it won't look too choppy.
No, we're not recording. Yeah, me and John, this is what we do.
That's what we do. Well, hey. My watch lifestyle say how to WatchGauge. WatchGauge say how to my watch lifestyle.
Let's walk around.
I don't know. Let's you know what? Let's hit up here. Did you bang out up here yet?
Yeah, I didn't do that.
All right.
I had to go look at the top and stuff.